What you're looking at here is a DEMC or DEMCO, whatever it's called, GE vent ceiling fan, 42-inch. I found this fan at the Habitat Humanity Restore for around 13 bucks when I had a couple problems. One problem was that when I tried putting a light kit on it, I pulled the blue wire and it came all the way out, but that's fixed now. I just need to add a little more wire. And the second problem was the pull chain, but just today I fixed that. I finally bought one from Walmart for like 3 bucks. The only problem is that half the time when I replace the pull chain and I even wire it correctly, I get 2 low speeds and no medium speed, but I get a high speed. And it's in the correct order, and I put the wires in the correct spots. And also, 2 of the blades have paint splotches on the stencil side, of course, but didn't get on the stencil itself, so I could fix that. And the lack of a long enough blue wire is why I took off the antique brass light kit I had on here. So we're going to start this on low. Sorry about that. That's my stove. Yes, there's my carousel in the background. Oh, I also had to flip over the reverse switch because it was upside down. You can see nothing changed. Oops. But now things really changed, look. And it's like perfectly balanced. Apologies for the background noise. Anyway, this is obviously in reverse now. Don't worry, I'll do something with those paint splashes. Hopefully. It is in pretty good shape. I'll give it that. Doesn't blow a terrible amount of air either. It's pretty good. And done.